everyone, today I am really excited to show you this lovely gift I've received. Look, it's got a really pretty gift bag and that lovely label. I won't read it out, but I'll say it's from the lovely Cindy. So thank you, Cindy, for sending this to me. I shall just pop that away for a moment and show you what's inside. So it's this lovely book by Rita Berman, Spaziergang Durch die Jahreziten. Oh dear, never mind. I hope there's no one who knows how to speak German watching. But we've got this beautiful a wreath on the front, which is oh so pretty. Now this book is a compilation book of 4 of Rita's books, where she does a winter, summer, autumn and spring themed book, and this one has a little bit from each, which is brilliant. So we shall start by opening up and have a look through. Now I haven't done any of the translating of any of it, but I don't know if it's really going to be necessary. I'm just going to pull my light across, just brighten it up a little bit. I'd moved it away because I was photographing. So I'm always happy with the photographs of it being too close. So you can see we've got a few pictures from each. So we've got some mushrooms and a boat. We've got a very pretty floral can, a watering can, and some wintry houses. So I was quite excited. I have to admit that I had a quick peep through the book because I was very naughty. And I really wanted to see what was in it, because although I have looked at all of Rita's books and flip-throughs, I didn't actually remember exactly what was in this one. So as you can see, we start with spring. So we've got these lovely little buds coming from springtime, and all our spring snowdrops in this picture with our sort of sticky buds, as we call them here in the UK, and also some crocuses and tulips and things. It's very pretty, and we've got spring blossoms and a nice floral. I've seen this one done quite a few times by various people. It's very pretty. And we have some rain. It does rain a lot in the springtime. I don't know if it does where you are. It certainly does here. In the UK, I think we're known for our rain anyway. We have some really interesting tree shapes in this one. More just pretty leaves. We have lovely birds. We have a bird theme in mine Risa, the Europa book. Oh dear, I'm sorry, can't remember. I love the 3D effects in these birdhouses from the bit of shading that Rita has done for us. That will really help us make it look fun. So yeah, there were plenty of birds through her books, which are rather cute, I do think. And we have a sort of garden scene here, so someone's been colouring in the garden, which looks like fun, and having a cup of tea, but also I'm digging in the soil. Less fun, I know a lot of people love their gardens, but it's hard work, isn't it? We have a little fun farm type scene here going on, and a really cute bunny. So sort of Eastery perhaps. And the daffodils, very pretty. Oh, and we have our Easter eggs. We have a nice Easter theme still running through. And umbrellas, yep, definitely lots of rain. And again here over some buildings. This gives us something a little bit different. There's some cute cats as well. And here we have some ducks. Not sure... these are obviously waders with their long beaks, not quite sure what type, but they're rather pretty. And one here with a fish, maybe that's a kingfisher, and an otter. Very nice picture there. And this one we have our veggies under the ground growing. And these actually not veggies at all, I'm just looking. We've got hyacinths and we've got crocuses and tulips and daffodils. Of course we have all bulbs in the springtime. And we have other smaller spring images, which is quite fun. So we have birds' eggs and different things, strawberries, yeah, yum, and different flowers and things, gardening sort of scene going on. We have a really lovely tulip page. And more flowers and a very pretty building. Looks a little bit church-like to me, which is rather pretty. And we have some insects, bugs, nice cherries, different things going on here, and a lovely small floral, rather nice. And here we have a bench. We have a swallow. I think we're coming into summer, definitely. And we have some lots of flowers and things. And look at the swans and the cygnets. I saw a cygnet at the weekend actually. 2 in fact when I walked along the canal, getting quite grown up though, definitely teenagers. We have another floral wreath, and I saw this one coloured the other day, actually by Cindy, who gave me this book, and it was adorable. She made it look so pretty, so that'll be a really fun one to colour. We have some more florals and a lovely dragonfly, or is it I think it's a dragonfly. And then we have a nice beach scene. Look at the beach huts and the seagull. Great fun. Really pretty. And our beach wear. All sorts of different things to pick in there. Good to hop in and out of that page doing little bits and bobs. And another nest. Lovely eggs. Oh, look at the birds in the brolly. So cute. Sorry, I say brolly. Umbrella. Call them brollies. And a pretty cottage look with the creeper and lovely flowers, and in the garden, I don't know if this is a double page, may not be. We've got a cat in the garden, more florals. You could make that match, of course. And here we have a camping scene look, where we've got a tent, and look at the details, the little axe and the fire, leather fire. Wow, so cute. And here we have mandarin ducks, I reckon. Saw some of those on my canal too. We have them in the UK quite a lot now, but they're apparently they aren't a native species, but they're not considered to be invasive because they haven't uprooted or disturbed any other species. Very pretty. And we have some lovely little circular florals and a nice cup of tea. Lovely. I'm always up for that. I'll finish mine though. I have to go and get another one. We have our fruit market and all sorts of lovely preserves and things in this one. Maybe are we moving towards autumn, do you think, with all these fruits and preserves and things? I think we are. We've got a lovely sailing boat scene with more fruits going on. But we're still at the beach with our bike. Lovely. We're colouring again, like that. And we have a sort of camping scene with a boat as well, which is quite fun. And look at this. I do love this one, these boots. Full of flowers. Fabulous. Look like walking boots full of flowers. And we have a sort of foresty scene here. So we've got a cute cabin, I've got one of those in Slimbridge, which is a wild wetlands trust. I don't know what it is, but they just encourage you to climb on it and look at the view, so maybe that's what it's for. Got a cute little wild boar, and we've got these beautiful little triangle shapes to make a nice pattern in a town. And another town scene. Look at the leaves are blowing. We're certainly into autumn. Might be fun to do some autumn ones now. And these nice, aren't they cute? You've got all these sort of autumnal things. And of course on this side, this is quite stylised. I think that's quite fun. It's really different. We really make my imagination run wild to think about how to colour that. And the same with this. Looks like a quilt or something. I like that. I've seen this apple coloured a lot recently. It's really pretty. Have some trees, more rain, and lots of raindrops. Look at that. So you could do them all blues. You could do them all different colours. What fun. Oh, sunflowers. So pretty. And here we have veggies. See, I knew there was a veggie page. I think I've seen this one coloured quite a few times. I'm not sure what this is though. Is this a money tree? What do you think? It's fun, isn't it? And here we have kites. Look, they're all twisting together in the breeze and moving over to this side as well. Look at this tree. It's brilliant. Really well drawn. I do love it. And now we have a sort of autumnal floral fruit page. And look at that. Gorgeous. I love colouring those. Lovely mushroom / toadstool. And more leaves. We've got a nice page for autumnal colours to go on. And oh, pumpkins. I've seen these pages done quite recently too for sort of Halloweeny themes. So quite fun. Oops, I may leave those for next Halloween. Maybe. We'll have a think. We have another sort of autumnal leaf in all the bare fields. in a sort of path. Lovely little houses getting blown around. Oh, I've seen this one quite recently too. It's so cute with the wellies and the umbrella. There's so many little details in there. It's really nice. And look at this, just rain and puddles. Quite fun. Something really different. And we have our, is it a damselfly rather than a dragonfly? I'm not sure. Lovely florals, mushrooms and things. Look at these sleepy owl. I like that too. Pine cone. It's fun to colour. We have more of the same. Lots of acorns actually on this one. Strawberries. Things like that. And here we have a lovely sort of square type wreath. Looks really pretty. Oh, we're in winter. We're definitely snowing in this picture. My sister was very excited. She said she's forecast snow in a few weeks' time, but she lives further up north in the UK to me. We aren't forecast snow, but it made me think I need to get a move on and get my son some walking boots ready for when it does snow. So we have another snowy scene here with pretty houses. Look at that stocking hanging up there. Oh, this is cute. Cute little rabbit. Oh, a nice cup of tea. I think Rita likes her cups of tea. And look at this, lots of snowflakes. So sort of think about how to colour them maybe a little bit differently. And some winter trees. Oh, lovely lanterns. How pretty. I do love lights at Christmas. I've seen this one coloured very recently and it was gorgeous. So that's going to be a really fun one to do. Oops. And what do we have? Oh, Christmas baking. Look at that, all the cookies. Delish. I don't eat cookies anymore, but I do love to colour them still. We have a sort of pine cone that's really pretty. Look at that, very simple but pretty. And these lovely reindeers in between, or reindeer I should say, some tree details. Oh, cute little birds, look at them looking at each other. Oh. And this one's sitting on top of, I think it's an apple. Look at the icicles, very cold. And this is fun. We've got all sorts of different winter attire. So we've got our gloves and scarves, look, some knitting them, and different bits and bobs, mittens and socks. We have a wintry house scene, very nice. And lovely warm flame fire. Look inside, so you can do all sorts of nice warming windows with the wintry outside. This one's fun. Look, it's like an advent calendar. We've got numbers. What fun. Ooh, we could do one a day, couldn't we? I'm trying to look for number 11. So we've got 1 bell, 2 house, 3 heart, 4 present, 5 ball, 6 gift, 7 ball, 8 stocking, 9 glove, 10 glove. Oh, that's 11 the house, 12 the cookie, 13 the star, 14 a heart, oh, little precious doll, 15, 16 gingerbread house, 17 gift, 18 heart, 19 stocking, 20, I guess it's just a ball, isn't it? 21 little bird, 22 present, 23 bell, 24 cake. Yum. Look at that boot, like a stocking. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's making me excited about colouring Christmas. Look at this Christmas scene. We've got so much going on. We've got the pretty buildings and shop stores and all sorts of people doing their shopping. Oh, lovely. And look at that Christmas tree. So cute, and all the bits and bobs on it. Really pretty. And we have a sort of cute Santa Claus here, I think. Father Christmas, depending on what you say. It's so cute. And look, we have, I saw this one done for November the 5th. In the UK, we have fireworks night on the 5th of November, where we set off fireworks. It's quite a long story to explain why we do that in the UK. But this is a New Year firework display, which have become, since the millennium, people seem to set off fireworks on New Year's now. They didn't used to. So lovely snow, all the pretty buildings in the cold. So lovely. Oh, we have a sort of mountain scene on this side. These cute little houses, look. And then we have skaters over here. And we have sparkly lights, beautiful heart decoration. That's really, really lovely. And that's the end. Wow, what a gorgeous book. I That is so pretty. As I say, I had a quick spin through it, but now I've looked again in detail. I'm getting really excited about colouring it. It's so, so pretty. So thank you, Cindy, for that book. Gorgeous. And thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed having a sneaky peek at the book. If there are specific pictures you'd like me to have a go at, drop me a message and I'll see what I can do. We'll see. Who knows? Anyway, thank you so much and happy colouring.